Dude, what happened to Viking Motorworks? Where's Mike? What's going on? Don't worry, folks. I'm alive. So this is what's going on. Where have I been for the last 6 months? Working. I probably should have documented more than I have, which really has been not much of anything so far. But yeah, moved to the new place. Got myself a little place out in the country. Dogs are living their best lives out here. There's the vet, still here, under wraps for now while the new shop's being built. So yeah, this is about a quarter of the property. You see the fence dividing off. The fence is dividing off to keep the dogs away from the new shop. Still in progress. Not ready to move into yet and get set up, but I did a steel building, 30 by 50. I'll go through some details on that in another video. Cutting through my little gate here. Keep the dogs from getting into trouble. So there's still another bunch more property here. Here's the building. Did a 5-inch slab throughout, plus a 7-inch slab where the lift's going to go in. Building's been up about a week now. I just ordered the overhead door. And they need to come back and put another man door in because they didn't load the truck properly, so they were short one. But other than that, I so far have nothing but good things to say about the building company. I'm not going to say what company it is just yet. I want to make sure they handle getting back here to replace that door properly. Had to trim a couple of trees back to make some room. Didn't have to take any trees down, but trim some branches off the top. It's not bad. My property actually goes into that brush line quite a bit, about 20 feet. Here's the house, one end of it. It's a work in progress. Siding's coming next. I'm working on the skirting today and some other stuff. There's the beastie. And there's the rest of the property all the way up to the street behind that fence. So it's nice. It's nice out here. It's quiet. People leave me alone. I can do loud things with loud cars and motorcycles and nobody's going to complain about it. Do a little shooting in the backyard. A lot closer to nature for me and my daughter. We've got kayaking about 10 minutes down the road. The St. Johns River. Here's the front. It's an older manufactured home, 26 years old. Wasn't particularly looking for a manufactured home, but to be honest with you, the house is all there. The bones are great. And it was completely original inside, which is a good sign. Nobody's been messing around and messing stuff up. Oh, and Houdini dog got out again. This puppy's going to be a death to me. Aren't you, Layla? You're a pain in my butt. Where'd you go? There you are. But yeah, original cabinets, original walls, original floors, original almost everything, which isn't good that everything needs updating, but whole house has been replumbed, new roof, new hot water heater, new well, septic's a few years old. And so it just needed updating, appliances, paint, new floors, that kind of stuff. Got it for a great price. Very happy here so far. Neighborhood's fantastic. Super quiet. There's nobody around me but woods. As you can see, here's the Maggie Queen. Layla's back there checking out my scrap pile. But I'm going to have some more stuff coming soon. I appreciate you all staying subscribed and tuned in. Feel free to share anything you want and subscribe and let people know if you feel you want to. I'm going to have some home projects coming up, some more general entertainment, hopefully. And certainly more Corvette and bike stuff. Got all my stuff jammed into that little garage that was on the property when I got it. It's going to be another month or so before I can start moving into the shop. I'm going to seal or coat the floors and get the door hung and all that good stuff. Once I get that all resolved and permitting's happy. Layla! Layla! Where did that puppy go to? Knucklehead. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'll be back soon with some more content. Hopefully some entertaining content, hopefully some informative stuff, who knows. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all, I'm like a country bumpkin already, huh? Go figure. I'll see you soon. Thanks.
Do it. Do it.